in there and get wet.
I was lower in a canyon and I was all used up. My soul belonged to the devil. I was running out of luck. So I went to my mama for a little comfort. I said, oh mama, I need your love. And I went to a minister, but he asked me to go. He said, oh my son, I can't save your soul. So I fell to my knees, I cried out to the Lord, please, oh please, save me from the devil, dog. There's a dream that I had, that come to pass. Can someone save me from looking back? So I kept on running out in the train, 'cause if I keep losing, my soul I can save. But those old hellhounds were deep down inside, and they kept on coming, chewing up my life. See, you went for the devil, and they know if they fail, a lot of things worse deep down in hell. I was a fool. I saw my soul, for all things go. The dream that I had, that come to pass. Can someone save me from this looking back? Save me, save me, save me. Double took me for a walk, save me. Passed me a cigar, save me. He said he wanna talk to me about my BB job. Down to my knees, save me. I cried out to the Lord, save me. Please, oh please, save me from the devil. It was a dream that I had. Can someone save me from this looking back? Was a dream that I had, that come to pass. Oh yeah. Can someone save me?